Hello cyclists, this is Rick. Today is Wednesday, May 29, 2024. Looks like a little tree broke off. Started a bike ride at 11:32 a.m. Slow getting started today. As I said on Monday, I'm riding my Canyon Endurace CF7 bike. On Monday I said that there was a slow leak, so today I attempted to find the leak. The rear tire had a TPU tube in it, so got that out, aired it up. Couldn't find any leak with my fingers or anything, so I used the water and still couldn't find a leak. I ended up replacing the tube with a rubber tube. Had to pause the video there. The lawn crew was running their leaf blower. Anyway, so I replaced it with a regular rubber tube. The Canyon has the iCan Cycling Alpha 46 rims, and so the tube that I put in has a 42 millimeter stem on it, and it just barely sticks up high enough to get the pump on. Unfortunately, it also has removable valve cores. First time I pumped it up, the valve core came out even though I had tightened it up. Apparently not tight enough though. Then after I got the tube replaced, then I installed my new magnetic mount setup on the Canyon. Got that in place, using it right now. And everything's good. While I was doing all this, I watched two bike races from France on Max BR channel that I subscribe to. Weather's a little cooler than yesterday after we had our storm come through that I got caught in as I got close to home. Temperature right now is 81 degrees, which is cooler. Humidity 78%. Dew point was, I think it was 73.7 degrees. Mostly cloudy, winds out of the southeast at 8 miles an hour. Today's route, I'm going north to Roman Forest Boulevard and then back on US 59. There is a chance of rain today, but it's late afternoon, early evening, says the forecast. I should be back home well before that. Yesterday's storm kicked up a lot of wind and debris. Also, it arrived about an hour earlier than what they thought it would. I'm riding on Creek Manor in Elm Grove Village. I just rode by, I'm riding by and I hear generators running. So that means there's no electricity. I don't know if that was a result of yesterday afternoon's storm or the one a couple weeks ago, or a week ago. I didn't realize people were without electricity over in this section of Elm Grove. 3.9 miles. There's another generator. 3.9 miles, 51 minutes after 11. Hi. Approaching the roundabout on Wood Ridge Parkway. Have the flags out. We'll circle around. .3 miles. 2 minutes after 12. That beep was a Strava segment if I had continued on Wood Ridge Parkway to North Park. But as you can tell, I turned right onto a side street. We're going to take Adams Street from Wood Ridge Parkway to Kelly Road. Starting west on Adams Street. Stop sign up ahead is Kelly Road, I believe. The street has at least 3 different names, depending on where you're at on it. Like they're going to pour a concrete driveway into the post steel. Place. 7.5 miles and 7 minutes after 12. I'm going to ride through Brooklyn trails. I think I'll take the long loop this time. Just turned right onto Grotto Falls Lane in Brooklyn Trails. Eight 8.3 miles, 11 minutes after 12. I'll ride through Brooklyn Trails and then get back to Gilbert Drive on to Martin Drive, East Martin Drive, and then to the US 59 northbound frontage road. A little bit of a headwind as I ride east. Next left, I'll turn. Claremont Hills Lane. Not sure where the hills are, but that's what they call it. This is East Martin Drive, the Gilbert Drive. Freight train. Riding north on Loop 494 on the Caney Creek Bridge. I'll stay on Loop 494 till I get to Via Principal Parkway, where I'll take a little short turn to the left to get back on the frontage road to go to Roman Forest Boulevard. 15.4 miles, 46 minutes after 12. That's Roman Forest Police. Via Principal Parkway at the stop sign. Approaching Roman Forest Boulevard. Wildflowers. We're going to take the U-turn west of US 59. It's called Wilshire Road. We're going to take the southbound frontage road. 16.4 miles. 50 minutes after 12. Overall average speed 13.4 miles an hour. We'll go into West Tavola. See what's happening there. West Tavola. Via Tuscaloosa is the name of the street. I'm probably not saying it properly, but nice flowers, landscaping. I think I might take this road straight. Whereas before I turn up ahead, I think this loops around to the back. We'll find out. Different looking homes over there. I didn't know about this bridge. Take a short gander back here. These are what I might call two-story shotgun homes. Not very wide. Different. Different. Looks like these have been around long enough for people to move and rent. Huh. Okay. Well, back to the street. Okay, this is the street that takes me around back to the frontage road through Tavola. There's another bridge. Looks like they're putting in some streets back there. Not familiar with what that type of development is. Looks like the recreation center is going to be right there. Riding on Valley Range Parkway, southeast, headed to FM 1314. Get a taste of the wind with the two flags on Azalea Boulevard. 23.1 miles, and it's 22 minutes after 1. FM 1314 at Valley Range Parkway. We're going to stop at the 7-Eleven, get some ice and water, maybe a Powerade, depending upon how expensive it is. I'm on Briarberry Lane in Briar Tree. Smart move, truck passing in the corner. I'm going to ride through Auburn Trails up ahead. I'll turn left. That'll take me to the frontage road, southbound. 24.7 miles, 32 minutes after 1. Overall average speeds 13.6 miles an hour. Back at the 7-Eleven, fountain drinks were more than I wanted to spend. They were $1 if you had a rewards thing, but I don't do rewards things. Into Auburn Trails. Like they're clearing the land at the exit of our Auburn Trails. I like those trees. 25.5 miles. 36 minutes after 1. Driving beside Kingwood Drive, headed east. I stopped at the Circle K on North Park at US 59. Had a Blueberry Mountain Powerade. Rested up and was rolling in. About 3 miles to the end of the ride. I'm at 32.1 miles, 28 minutes after 2. This is Woodland Grove. Well, the Greenbelt Trail is blocked between Silver Falls and Golden Leaf, so I'll have to turn around.